So today's video, we're gonna eat.
Okay.
Okay.
Lingkod ito, lingkod.
Okay. Just let me set my.
Silky
Okay. So I'm here. This is called silky balot. I'm shocked, but let's taste it because I didn't taste it.
Silky chicken.
So we have here asin and suka. So let's begin. My mom is gonna help me. Never mind.
Lami.
I'll regret.
Gusto ko lang tayong mainit.
Hmm.
Gusto lang na mainit.
Oh. Walang sabaw. Wala.
Ang sabaw yan.
Wala. Ay, kato. Yummy siya, guys. Maghugas muna ako ng kamay kasi hawakin ko na lang sa kamay ko. Okay, we're back. So, we're not gonna use a spoon kay lisod kaayo. This is a perfect spot. Gonna take a little asin. Let's begin. It's very good. By the way, guys, to be honest, this is very creamy. It looks so creamy. Look at that. It looks so creamy. It looks... Mama, this is chicken.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is chicken, diba?
Right, yes.
Oh, pwede.
Silky chicken nga.
Pwede. Okay.
You like it?
Very salty. But very creamy. So creamy. Can you see that? It's so creamy. Lamig kayo. Gonna take a little bit of asin and whoa. Eh. Okay. This is very good when there is salt, and it's a little bit good when there's no salt because it's creamy.
Naglum-lum ng tatlong silky mo. Tatlong silky na naglum. Sabon ito. Sulfur ko.
So tomorrow maybe we're gonna make a vlog about
Medyo may isa.
an update
Alamis?
of our mini farm. So watch me eat this.
Naman ito.
Ito galing sa farm ba? Egg na, galing sa yung mini farm.
Yeah, but you buy this.
Masarap, Bernes. Pinoy, no?
Yeah.
So, ano feeling mo? Silky man kinain mo? Oh, itlog ng silky.
Very sad that I eat silky but very tasty. It's not my favorite color. It's not my favorite food.
The chicharon bulaklak, do you know what chicharon bulaklak is?
Nainggit
Yeah.
Ha?
Yung bulaklak kagabi. Uy,
We-
gusto ko magkain.
We ate that yesterday night. Wait, what? Yeah. So
Kanina umaga ako. Kasarap.
maybe that's all. Bye. Mwah. Bye bye.